Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to start the development for our real estate application. It is going to use React as the front-end framework and .NET for the backend code. Now, we have some prerequisites before we begin the development. On your system, you have to make sure that you already have node.js installed, and this is the URL that I have already opened on the system. So from here you can download it and have the installation completed. After that, you have to make sure that for frontend we are going to use Visual Studio Code, so you should have Visual Studio Code installed on your system. For the app creation, what we have to do is go to a folder where I want to create the application. Now in this particular folder, I'll be creating a new folder and let's name it HOC Real Estate. Okay, so let's just open the terminal. Now, rather than using the create React app command, I am going to use Vite for the creation of the React application. Why? Because Vite is a modern build tool. It is designed for speed and efficiency. And when we're working with JavaScript frameworks like React, it is a much better alternative to choose, because as the code will keep on increasing, the bundling and building of the application is going to be a headache. So Vite would help us in that sense. So we'll be utilizing Vite for the creation of our React app. I'm just going to type the command. This is real estate application front-end part. So this over here, real estate front-end, this is our application name. After that, I click enter. So it is just asking that we need to install this particular package for Vite, and I just press Y. Now we are going to select our framework. We are going to work on React, and that is what we are going to choose. As soon as I select React, I click enter. And what we are doing is we're going to use TypeScript plus SWC as the option over here, because this whole application will be utilizing TypeScript. And you see that our project is now created. See over here, this is the application that is already created by Vite now. And okay, let me just open the terminal again. I give this particular command, so you don't need to do this, but I am just showing you an alternative way on how to open the application through the terminal. So you just simply write code dot, and this will open your application in Visual Studio Code. Okay, so here we have our application open. If we just explore through it, we have a folder source, and this is going to be the main folder where we are going to add all the files. Now, after we have our application created, what we need to do over here is, I'm opening the terminal inside the Visual Studio Code now, and we need to simply write this command npm install. So this will just install all of the dependencies related to Node.js into your application, and you will have a folder created over here, node_modules. So it just got appeared, and with the installation of all the dependencies, we should be ready to go. What I'll do is I'll just simply give the command npm run dev. See, we have not made any changes to the application that got created. We're simply trying to run what the application would look like if it is just created through Vite. Over here we have got our localhost URL, and we'll just click on it, and you see this is the basic application that is created through our create app command. and using Beat, of course. And now we'll be working on it to make the changes and have it ready for our real estate project.